Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Angry Birds on piano. We'll begin by focusing on the iconic main theme with your right hand. Start by finding middle C, then locate the G note just above it. The melody kicks off with G, then descends to F, E, and D. Practice this sequence, G, F, E, D, ensuring a clear, even sound. The rhythm is 2 GS, then F, E, and D, setting the playful tone. Now, let's bring in your left hand to add some harmony and depth to the tune. While your right hand plays the melody, your left hand will provide simple chords. When your right hand is on G, play a C major chord, which is C, E, and G. As the melody moves to F, switch your left hand to an F major chord, F, A, and C. Finally, for the D note, use a G major chord, G, B, and D. To truly bring the Angry Birds theme to life, focus on dynamics and expression. Don't just play the notes, make them sing. Start the opening notes with a strong, energetic attack to capture the game's excitement. For the shorter, quicker notes, use a staccato touch to make them bouncy. For longer phrases, connect the notes smoothly with legato. Experiment with slight tempo changes to add a playful, almost mischievous feel to your performance. Mastering any piece takes consistent practice, and the Angry Birds theme is no exception. Always begin by practicing slowly, ensuring every note and rhythm is accurate before attempting to speed up. If a section feels challenging, break it down into smaller, more manageable parts. Listen to the original game theme often. This will help you internalize its energetic and fun spirit. Finally, try recording yourself playing to easily identify areas where you can improve your performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.